Very nice. Somebody living here?
No, this is the model unit.
Okay. Well, this is great. You can throw your keys over here, take off your shoes.
Guess what is here?
A dead body?
No, the laundry room.
Okay. Very nice. Actually, I think you could put a front-loading large stackable.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, this is great space. Fabulous. Cool. Very nice. Yeah.
And right here we have our hall bathroom.
Half bath. Very cool. This is, the sinks, I love them. They're great. Light fixture, wonderful. So this is ideal for your guests,
Correct.
right? Fantastic. Beautiful. I love all the Perota wood. It is so pretty. Very nice. Little bar area.
Small bar.
Yeah, that's your favorite part of the room. Kitchen is fantastic. Again, I'm just blown away with all the storage. And I love the black fixtures there.
So right here, the kitchen, you have an addition because you have your dishwasher right here.
Great. I love the paneling. It just kind of ties in nicely. Oh, by the way, the microwave's included, right? There's a microwave in the studio as well.
Correct.
Yeah. Again, plenty of storage. Look at all this. This is great. Dining, you know what? This is one of the problems I see a lot in the Romantic Zone. A lot of condos, they're not building dining areas anymore. Most people are just sitting on the balcony, which is fine, but it's kind of nice to have this so you can entertain some friends. It's really cool.
You have this indoor space and you have another space to have like people come in, and also you have your outdoor space.
Yes, which I want to go to in a few seconds. So is this a flex?
This is a flex bedroom, so
Okay.
I allow to close from here to
All
here
right.
and close it up.
Great. So right now you got an office that
Yeah.
pulls out. You got a bed, right? So TV, office, bedroom. Can we close this to see what it looks
Sure.
like? That is genius. It's perfect. This is great. Slides so easily. Great installation. Again, Perota. And I think you have like a little... Okay, so is any of this included?
No,
No.
it's going to be empty.
Okay.
Just the AC is going to be included.
Just AC. Okay, so basically the owner can build this out however they want.
Yes.
Right?
Correct.
Fantastic. Okay, and that's the bedroom.
Correct. The main bedroom. Look at this.
Oh my God, it's massive. Oh. Feels so good. I'm done touring. This is great. Huge TV. Look at all the closet space here, man. Look at
All the
drawers.
closet is included.
This is all built in, it's
Correct.
included. This is great. And this is the same on the other side?
It's the same.
Okay. Great. Look at the high ceilings. Fan is included again.
Correct.
I love this finish here. I love this. They must have poured this like layer upon layer, right?
Yeah, they have to do it very careful
Yeah.
just to have that kind of finish.
Yeah. I have not seen this finish in any other condo building. This is super cool. Everything here is unique and original. The pendant lights, I'm guessing this is not included.
No, that's not included. You will have like the connections on the ceilings,
Mm-hmm.
but the lamps are not included.
You got the AC and the back. Hello. Stunning. I love the slate wall there. It's fantastic. Again with the sinks, man, I gotta tell you, the developer did not shortchange anything.
Yes, they keep the same design here and also in the hot bathroom.
Wow, this is fantastic. And all that stuff is built in, right?
Correct.
It's not gonna cost anything extra. Love the shower, fantastic. I just love like all the accents here, like all the fixtures, black, it's great. Even the electrical outlet there, black. Mateo, it's beautiful. I love the flooring. I love the difference in the flooring here. This is great, it looks like wood. I'm guessing this is porcelain?
It's porcelain.
Yeah, great, easy to clean, which is
Correct.
fantastic. Okay, I wanna see the balcony, which is right
Sure.
here, right?
Let's go.
Very cool. Yep. Again, very nice. There's that wall again. I
Correct.
love that. That's beautiful. A lot of natural light, great outdoor space. You could sit there, have coffee, really cool. Oh, I love the ceiling there too. Gosh, there's so many great details. Like the features are incredible. So Mateo, What's the best priced 1+Flex unit going for right now?
It's around 425.
425. And they're like, how big are they? Like 850 square feet or
Correct,
so?
it's 853.
853, okay, to be exact. Okay, 425, that's great. I want to see a 1+Flex that's in its raw state that's still under construction. Can we do that?
That's it. It's just right here.
Okay, that's it. Love it. Great job.